Hey everyone! Today we're putting two rugged smartwatches head-to-head, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 and the Garmin Fenix 8. Both are built to survive the toughest outdoor challenges, but they come with some big differences, especially when it comes to price. So, can the Amazfit T-Rex 3 really stand up to Garmin's premium Fenix 8, or are you better off investing in the top-tier option? Let's break down the features, performance, and value of each to see which one deserves a spot on your wrist. Let's get into it. Both of these watches are engineered to handle anything nature throws at you. The Garmin Fenix 8 sports a premium titanium build, paired with a sapphire crystal display for superior scratch resistance. It not only feels like a high-end piece of tech, but at around $1,200, it certainly has the price tag to match. On the other hand, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 holds its own. It features a metal bezel, Gorilla Glass display, and a military-grade build that's shock-resistant and dive-rated up to 45 meters. Sure, it doesn't have the same luxurious feel as the Fenix, but at $299, it's a rugged beast in its own right. Now let's talk displays. The Garmin Fenix 8 comes with multiple options in terms of size and screen type. Some models feature an AMOLED display, while others use a transflective MIP display. Both are super clear, but the AMOLED really stands out with rich, vibrant colors, offering a more smartphone-like experience on your wrist. The Amazfit T-Rex 3, meanwhile, is equipped with a 1.5-inch AMOLED display, slightly larger, and boasting 2,000 nits of brightness. This makes it highly visible, even in direct sunlight. In terms of display quality, the T-Rex 3 doesn't lag far behind the Fenix, especially when you factor in the significant price difference. When it comes to battery life, both watches are serious contenders. The Garmin Fenix 8's AMOLED model can last up to 29 days, and if you opt for the solar version, it can stretch up to 48 days in smartwatch mode, depending on usage. It's designed to keep going through long hikes, marathons, or multi-day adventures without needing a charge. The Amazfit T-Rex 3, while more budget-friendly, isn't far behind. It offers up to 27 days of typical use and 42 hours in high-accuracy GPS mode. For most people, that's more than enough, and in certain settings, it's actually slightly more efficient than the Fenix. So, while the Fenix 8 wins in extreme usage scenarios, the T-Rex 3 more than holds its own in day-to-day performance. Now, here's where things get interesting. The Garmin Fenix 8 is packed with just about every sensor and feature you can imagine. ECG, SpO2, heart rate monitor, altimeter, compass, advanced mapping and navigation, offline music storage, and even on-wrist payments. Plus, if you're already in the Garmin ecosystem, it seamlessly integrates with other Garmin devices. Meanwhile, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 covers most of the same bases: heart rate monitoring, SpO2, barometric altimeter, compass, and more. It also supports external Bluetooth sensors like a chest strap or bike power meter, making it a great option for athletes who want robust tracking without the high price tag. Let's not forget, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 is dive-rated, just like the Fenix 8, something you don't usually find at this price point. When it comes to GPS performance, both watches shine. The Garmin Fenix 8 uses multi-band GPS for enhanced accuracy in tricky environments like dense cities or deep forests. It's one of the most reliable options for tracking your exact location, whether you're running through urban jungles or exploring remote mountains. The Amazfit T-Rex 3, with its dual-band GPS, might not be quite as precise in extreme conditions, but it's shockingly accurate for its price. Whether you're running, hiking, or cycling, the T-Rex 3 holds its own in tracking location and distance. In terms of user experience, the Garmin Fenix 8 has the edge. Its interface is smooth, responsive, and highly customizable. Plus, it syncs with the Garmin Connect app, which offers an extensive suite of tools for tracking everything from sleep to VO2 max and training load. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 syncs with the Zepp app, which is solid but doesn't quite match Garmin's depth in data tracking and analytics. That said, the T-Rex 3's interface is snappy, intuitive, and allows for customizable data pages. Most users won't feel like they're missing out. Lastly, let's talk price. The Garmin Fenix 8 starts at a hefty $1,200. It's a serious investment, But for outdoor athletes who demand the best, it's arguably worth it. In contrast, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 is just $299. For that price, you get a watch that does 90% of what the Fenix 8 offers, but at a fraction of the cost. If you don't need all the extras like on-wrist payments or offline music, the T-Rex 3 is an incredible value. So, is the Amazfit T-Rex 3 a Garmin Fenix 8 killer? For most people, yes. Unless you need absolute precision in GPS accuracy, advanced mapping, or the full Garmin ecosystem, the T-Rex 3 gives you nearly everything the Fenix 8 does, but at a much lower price. If you're on a budget or don't need all the premium features, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 is an unbeatable value and a worthy competitor to Garmin's powerhouse. And there you have it, two rugged outdoor watches that bring a lot to the table. So, what do you think? Does the Amazfit T-Rex 3 hold up as a Garmin Fenix 8 killer? Or is Garmin still king? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.